Want to save time, boost your creativity, or even make money using AI? These 5 tools are 100% free and insanely powerful. Let's dive in. I've tested dozens of AI tools this year, and today I'm sharing the top 5 that you can start using right now. No credit card, no hidden costs. Number 1 is ChatGPT. It's your AI assistant for writing emails, creating blog posts, even fixing your code. It's free to use and super intuitive. Next is Runway ML, a free AI video tool that lets you turn text into videos, edit footage, or even remove backgrounds, all using AI. It's perfect for creators. At number 3, Notion AI. Perfect for students, creators, or freelancers. Use it to write articles, summarize research, or plan content. Leonardo AI is a free image generation tool with beautiful pre-trained styles. It's great for thumbnails, concept art, or product mock-ups. And finally, ElevenLabs. Generate lifelike voiceovers in just seconds. Perfect for YouTubers, storytellers, or AI avatars.
Hello, I'm an AI voice generated by ElevenLabs. Hello, I'm an AI voice generated by ElevenLabs.
Which one will you try first? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI toolkits every week.